everyone, so in this first example we're going to look at bulleted text and then how to show an image after you show some bulleted text. So let's say you have some bulleted text that you want to show while you narrate over slides, and you want each bullet point to appear when you click. Then after the text appears, you want an image to appear like this. So I'm going to show you what this is going to look like first, and then we're going to walk through it step by step. So that would be bullet point 1, text 2, text 3, and then you have an image appear. And yes, I chose this cute little kitten because I love cats. All right, so I'm going to back out of here and show you how to do this on the next slide, step by step. So we're going to do it together. So first, you start by writing out the text on the PowerPoint slide first. So I'm going to go up to Insert here, and I'm going to insert a text box. And I'm going to type text 1. All right, so there's our first bullet point, so to speak. And then we can actually put a bullet there if you want. So we can have it like this. And then I'm going to highlight, I'm highlighting it right now, and we're going to go up to animations, and we're going to choose one of the entrance ones. And all the ones in green here are entrance animations. You can also go over here to add animation, and you can see the different types. So this is the entrance ones, these are an emphasis, and the red ones are the exit animations. And there's other things here, motion paths, that we're not going to get into in this video, but maybe another video we can explore that. So I'm going to use fade here, and it shows you a little preview whenever you do it as well. And also you should have over here you should have your animation pane right here. So click on this if it's not already clicked. So you just do that. And then on the right hand side, you'll be able to see everything that you add to every item on your screen. So this is your kind of like where you can manipulate things here too, because there's options and different things here. So we'll get into that in a second. Okay, so one of the things we need to look at over here on the right hand side in the animation pane is make sure this says start on click, so that when you click anywhere on the screen, this text, this bulleted text, is going to show up by fading in. You could click start with previous or start after previous, but those are usually when you have something else before this and you want it to start at the same time as the other item. So that's the one thing for this one. We'll just make sure this starts on click. So now we're going to repeat this for text 2 and text 3. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. So now I have 3 of them, and I'm going to relabel these. Okay, and I'm just going to line these up a bit better. And then I'm going to add the same animation. Actually, it should be on there already, and it is because we just copied and pasted it. And see this little number here, 1, 2, 3, that's indicating your animation that you've applied. So you can also see that on the right over here. So each text box, and you can check, will start on click. So let's go and preview this. So I'm just going to go down here to the slideshow. And when I click text 1, text 2, text 3. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to insert an image. So I'm just going to go and choose the one that I'd shown you in the example. So just go to Insert Pictures, and I'm going to pick the cat image, Insert, and it's quite large, so I'm just going to make that smaller. Maybe not that small. Okay, and so now we're going to have this pop up after we show the text boxes, and we're assuming these are longer than I'm showing here. This is just as an example, so this would probably overlap some of the text. So we can just line that up however you like, somewhere in the middle. All right, and then we're going to add an animation to that. So I'm going to add I think, zoom in for that. There we go. And now we have all these entrance animations, but we want the text here to go away. We don't want it to be up when the cat is there. So I'm going to select all three of these. There we go. And then I'm going to go up here to add animation. And I'm now going to go down to the red ones here and select, let's see, shrink and turn, I think. All right. And then I'm going to make sure that if you go over to the right here, you see picture 7. Picture 7 is my image of the cat. I'm going to make sure that number 5 here, which is this group here, I'm going to make sure that starts with previous right here. So that when the picture comes in, these ones go out. So that's pretty much all there is to it for this one. So let's go preview that. All right, we'll go preview this. So I click once, twice, third time, we see the text boxes, and then I click again and the image appears and the text disappears. So that's all for this animation. I hope this was helpful to show you some basic animations and layering you can do in PowerPoint. Now we're going to go a bit deeper and look at some more complicated animations and layering examples that I'll go through in real time, step by step.